Title: The 2026 Inflection, Terrestrial Collapse versus Celestial Triumph. Tomorrow, April 1st, 2026, two clocks hit zero. One launches the most powerful rocket in history toward the moon, while the other ends the final warning for Iran's energy grid. This is the ultimate category king moment where terrestrial crisis meets celestial evolution. For creators and professionals, this represents the exact point where our old world ends and a new high-velocity future begins. Section 2. The Subterranean Secret. What lies beneath the palaces of Isfahan is a hidden missile city capable of arming 10 nuclear warheads. President Trump recently highlighted the beauty of the subterranean strikes that physically secured vital uranium sites. But the friction is mounting as the IRGC has issued a death warrant for major U.S. tech firms like Apple, Google, and Meta starting tomorrow. The digital world is officially entering the kill zone. Section 3. Speed to the stars. After 50 years, humanity isn't just visiting the moon, we are staying. The Artemis 2 crew is set to become the fastest humans in history, re-entering our atmosphere at a staggering 25,000 miles per hour. This mission is a strategic marker against global rivals, proving that while terrestrial straits may be blocked, the cosmic path remains wide open for those with the courage to claim it. Section 4. The $4 Barrier. While we look to the stars, your money is hitting a systemic collapse on the ground. National gas averages have officially crossed the $4.02 barrier, and hiring has plummeted to pandemic-era lows. As gold faces its worst month since 2008, the tech sector is leaning on AI to solve the unsolvable. In this low-higher equilibrium, innovation has become the only currency that still buys time. Section 5. The Life Equation. The final payoff of this crisis is that we have stopped looking for simple biological signs and started measuring the complexity of existence itself. Breakthroughs like assembly theory and AI vibe proving are rewriting the laws of science even as the old world burns. 2026 isn't the end, it is the pressure required to turn our terrestrial struggle into an interplanetary legacy.